So hello guys, welcome to my this video. So today I'm coming, such a beautiful place, and today weather also very good, and yeah, I'm coming to shoot with two models. So right now we are waiting for them, and I'm gonna take pictures here, and yeah, I'm so excited for today. And I have with me here a visit. Hey buddy, what's up?
Hey, awesome.
Awesome. Do you want to say anything?
Yes, I'm excited today.
So let's go, and okay, he's gonna help me to take some pictures, and yeah, I'm going to take pictures here. And okay, actually I have taken pictures here before, so today we are coming again. Actually we're gonna not take pictures here, we're gonna take pictures another place, that is I haven't made video at that place, and I'm gonna fly my drone. And okay, it is good day to fly drone and to have cinematic, and just look at clouds. Okay, you can't see because it is clouds are it is cloudy day. So okay, let's see.